Hello everyone, thank you for choosing Reyeah technology. When the machine is about to ship and you will receive an account and password and also to log in the backend. So for the password you can change by your later on your own, and then here is the domain, and here this is the home page for the login system. And so on the side, actually, this is the gateway for download the mobile app. So we also have the mobile app, and if you download it, and it will be much easier for you to check the sales data. Here you can also use the QR code, directly scan the QR code to download it. Okay, so next I'm going to show you very briefly how to operate the backend and how to set the price to upload the advertising, etc. So as you know, our software is with yearly fee. Of course, for the first year it's for free, and from the second year it will have yearly fee with around $60. So in the backend, it will, when the machine is about to expire, and then our system will inform you 1 month ahead. So you can choose to renew or to renew it later. Okay, so I'm just cancel it here, and then we can check the column first. They will have 3 main parts, like the machine management, product management, and advertising management. So let's see, this is the very basic setting that you need to know. And for sales is which means the order list and with the order details and the reports, and then we will you can download the reports according to device or products or user account, and or according to the date. Okay, and then for the systems, it's to do settings for the notification, and also to create a sub account if necessary. Okay, and then for this application is for like different how to say, like other features that you want, like the theme management or IC card integration, or the other payment integration as well. So, oh yes, also the age verification. So we when we have any like of the feature which is for specific project, then we'll add here. And also the brand, if you are our distributor or you are a reseller, and then you need to promote your brand, and then you can directly upload here. But this is only this function only have in the level 1 account. Okay, so this is the wallet for top up, because you like some age verification feature, you need to have money in it. And then for renew, also for the machine renewal, you also need some money. Okay, so I'm gonna show you briefly about each features. Okay, so like here for machine management, it will have machine group. For example, if you have like 100 machines in hand, and then you're going to divide it into different group, which means that you are going to locate into different area, so you can create different group according to the different locations. For example, like different city A, city B, city C, something like that. And then later on, when you do advertising, set the advertising, and then you want to apply for to city A, or want to apply for to apply for city B, then you can just choose. Okay, so this is the machine group function. So you just create the group, that's it. And then the next one is the machine list. Machine list, it will have every features here. Let me just refresh it because probably okay, see here, here is the machine list. When you receive the bank account, the back end account, all your machines will be listed here, and we already have basic setting in your backend. But what you need to do, you just need to add it and do the change here. So we can firstly change the general information about that, like a machine name. You can change it by yourself, and then which machine group you want to apply to. For example, for this machine, I want to apply to city B or city A, so I want to put it in, so we just choose it. And then if you have like different city have different finance accountant to in charge of it, then you can also create here like financial group, and then you can choose directly from here. Okay, and so for the machine scenario and the detail address, and then you can choose detail address for just in order to locate all this information. And then for this service hotline, and then you can using the like you can input the contact numbers. So in like for example, in the screen, actually at the bottom, you want to show your contact number just in case there's any problems or any issue, so you can directly put your information for emergency. Okay, so if you want to disable this machine, you can just say choose no. Okay, and then if you want to enable it, just yes. Okay, so this is the general information. And for the this is the aisle. Yeah, for the aisle goods is for the slot setting. So actually this is for the products. Later we'll show you how to upload the products. And but before we ship out, of course you will just upload a sample picture, so that later and then you can change by yourself. And here you can change the retail price, and then also the age verification. If your machine has age verification, then you can put it here, because normally it will be around like 18 or 21. So which means when the customers who is over 18 or over 21, that can only buy the products, or but this feature is only when your machine is with age verification device or software, so you can input this information. But if no, then you can just ignore it or put 0, which is no problem. So here you can see, okay, how many in one slot, one lane, how many products put in the machine. For example, slot number 1 can put 10, and then you can input the maximum inventory 10 in it. So which means when you reload refill the machine full, and then you can put all the numbers here, and then when customer buy one, and then it will directly deduct the number from here. Okay, so also this is the single stock warning, which means when the product's only remaining one, and then the backend system will send an email to you for the notification asking you to refill the items. Okay, so here this is the, if you want to also, if you want to disable this slot, you can also disable it, or you can if something wrong with this slot, you just disable the whole slot. Okay, and so if you want to after this setting, and then you want to apply to other other slots, and then you copy and paste. Okay, and so for this one, this IO goods, and for the payment, we in our machine we have like coin and banknote or card reader options, which is the very basic setting for the payment. For the rest of them, actually is what we integrate according to different countries' online payment. So if you no need, you just ignore it. Okay, and this is coin and banknote model number, and then just look at it. No need to care too much on it. And then so here the retainer is about like just like I mentioned, we have credit card, banknote, and coin. So you can see like all the details, all the payment, charging, doing the payment, separately, how much is the income. Okay, so it has all the details. See, for the banknote and for which date and the order number. So it will be very easy for you to track down the order information. And for the machine location, if you put the longitude and also latitude, and it will you can locate your machine, because here we have machine app. So when you put when you input the machine location, and then you can, because the network issue, so it should be should be show like global map, but because of the network issue, and then it's not able to show. Okay, but it is supposed to show. Okay, here just like I mentioned, the machine at the location, and then here that's the machine configuration, and these are the page properties. Is the screen, the UI. For example, this is if you want to have the screensaver, then you can say yes, or top advertising. If you no need, then say no. And but remember, this is only for vertical screen device machines. If for horizontal machines, and then it won't have top advertising a feature. And then here, this is the language, and currently we have around like 13 different languages. So if you want to have the language option show on the screen, and then it can have these options. And or also, if you want to choose only maybe only English or French, and then you can just uncheck those languages, and then it will show those checked. Okay, for product label, it's like product tag. So if you have different types of the product, and then you can have the switch on, and then it will show on the screen, with showing different products, like drinks or vape or snacks, etc. Okay, And here, this is the troubleshooting. These two function is for like if your machine have like main failure or big failure, and then for this switch it will directly close the slot, and if no, so if here you can have no or lock the screen. Okay, lock the screen means the whole machine is not able to purchase, but lock the slot means only that slot, the lane in the machine is not able to work. And for this administrator is to, in our on our screen, actually you can directly get access to the program. So, but it requires the management function switch to be on, and also with a password. And so the machine, you can have the machine debug switch on, and also the coupon switch, which will show on the screen. Okay, here that's the machine mode. And actually we have like pay mode or free mode, but you can, this is default. This is a default feature, and you no need to do the setting. And prompt title, and this is for the, you can test by yourself, which just pop up on the screen. This is good for the age verification. And also prop up words, you can also change by yourself, but need to switch on the prompt, and also the confirm button, cancel button. Okay, and here these are the online payment. Here online payment, it has like SMS switch, and then you can ignore this is all the default all the default switch. You can see whether you need it or not if you don't understand the feature, and then later on we will have instruction in every behind of the features. Okay, and this is the machine list. And if you be careful to click the one-click configuration, because if you click this configuration, which means this setting that you have done just now, it will apply for all the same model number machines. For example, you order like all 10 slots G02 machines, like 100, and then you choose one-click configuration, which means the rest 99 machines will have the same settings. Okay, so that's the thing. And let's come to the machine alarm. It will show in the machine alarm, it will show all the all the malfunction details. The network is not really good, so I just see here. It will show all the details like machine number and slot number in the machine, and also like the order number. It has the alarm description, insufficient inventory, etc. So it will send this information to your email so that you will also receive it as well. But you also can check it here, like with the detail information. And here, that's what I just mentioned about the financial group. So you can, just like I mentioned, if you have machines in different area, different cities or different countries, and under different financial departments to check the sales report, and then you need to create a different sales group, and then in the machine list, machine list, and then you will just choose the you can just choose a sales group, okay, to check all the machines. For the machine map I just mentioned, but what I want to tell more is that here, this is you can see the machine status. Actually, this word is not correct. It should be offline. It's not online. Okay, sorry about that. And but you can check here. And here, this is screen remote control. You can click here to remote the control, to remotely control that machine. You will see like the screen, the machine screen through your computer, and also remotely maybe purchase the order, etc. These are especially for service support, and it will be really good. So machine unlocking is that when we have machine e-lock. So you can, if you lost your key, or it's hard to find the key, then you can directly open the door or unlock the door remotely in the backend. And also, if you have any problems in the machine and the machine act abnormal, and then you can drag the lock here, and so it can help us to remotely check the problems by checking the lock. So which is very convenient and easy for our support team to identify or troubleshooting the problems. Okay, this is really important. And next one is the products. And here, like products, it will have product type. Product type actually means product group. So firstly, for example, you sell different products like snacks or vape or PBE products. So you just add a group. So add the type, for example, drinks. Okay, and then here come to the product list. If you upload like drinks, and then for example probably you can like cola, maybe I can try to add one first, like maybe vape. Okay, and then here I just add, okay, 1 second. Yes, wait. Yeah, because of the network issue. So vape, and then product name, like for example, watermelon flavor. Okay, so product tag, if I didn't add any product tag, just ignore it. So product image, you can just upload any image that you want. And then so the currency symbol, just like if US dollars, and then you can just choose the local currency symbol. Okay, specification type. Actually, we have like this is pieces, and then we have another products like selling by liter, and also selling by weight, kilogram or gram. So we will just choose like units. Okay, because of the network, it just didn't show up. Okay, so here, because it is not a must, so with the red color, and then you need to, this is a must, and then you need to input the information. So for example, I just $2, and if you want to like views to sell different brands, and then you just want to remove the brands, you should put it here. Okay, and then if you can also have like more product remark, or especially for the product description. For this product description, actually it will show in the it will show on the screen. Okay, so you need to get more like specification and description to mention it here, and also product details. So all this is just for you to better verify different products, but you can choose like very simple if you don't have too complicated products. Okay, and so I just cancel because I didn't upload the picture. And here product tag, actually I just mentioned that if you have any product tag, and then you can upload it. So here, flavor vape, so I just add it, and remind something wrong. Watermelon. Confirm. So then it's my network. Yeah, now it's success. So I come back to remember I have the sales rep, so product tag. Then it will show it here. Never mind, because the network is really bad. And so I just skip the product type. And for the specification, list, you just ignore it, because this is only for a special project by selling like liquid, and also selling like weight, and it is not applying for the normal products. Okay, so here we like to check about discuss about the coupon. Coupon is very important and very useful, and especially when you want to use the machine for events, or you want to do the branding, and then you need to give special discounts for the products. And here, for example, I just like, we are going to have a May Day, so we can say May Day discount. We just have May Day holiday. Okay, so purchase amount, which means if I get $10, buy $10, and then I can enjoy 10% discount. So 10%. Okay, so I buy $10 and enjoy 10% discount, and valid time is from May 1st to 5 is our holiday. Okay, sorry, first, and then 25. Okay. Oh, sorry, that's 25. Okay. So it will valid time until 5th of May. Okay, so coupon quality should be maybe 10, January 10. So I just add. See here, May Day discount, and then it will show all the details. Okay. Sorry, I just mistype to be 11%. See, quantity and coupon code. You can directly export, or you can check it here. Okay, so people use this, and when the feature switch is on, and on the screen you can click, you can choose the coupon feature, and then it will ask you to input the coupon code. Okay, with the coupon code, and then you can directly reduce the discount. Okay, so this is really important. And next one is the advertising. For advertising, it has the first need to create a group as well. And so, for example, I have like Coca-Cola or Pepsi to invest on the advertising. So I will just maybe Coca-Cola. Okay, and then you confirm. And so after you create a group, and then you just upload the advertising. See, we have many advertising here. For example, I just select this product. 1 second. See here, I just add it, and then as type, this is image, and then this is the title, and this display location. As you can see, for display location, it has like screensaver on the screen, and top advertisement, which is on the home page part, the upper part of the advertising. But for this advertising screen and screensaver advertisement, you can ignore it, because this one is only for those machines who is with more than 2 screens in the same machine. Okay, so what you mostly use, it will be like the screensaver and top advertisement. Okay, and here, if you have any like a website which is saving your advertising, you can directly copy that link in the backend, and then our machine can directly display the advertising on our machine. So here's start time, end time, and if you want to charge for the advertising, of course you can set a price there, and then also advertiser name, Coca-Cola, etc. Okay, so that's how it works. And so that's the machine list. But if you want to create a new one, then you can directly add it by yourself. And so let's come to the advertisement, just like the group I just mentioned. And then here, this is really important, is equipment to add. And how? So for example, when I set up when I upload an advertising, how should I match to the machine? So that's the place. Okay, so firstly you need to, just like I mentioned, create a group for the advertising and create a group for the machine, and then you can just choose like Coca-Cola, for example, or will be applied to the test group and then confirm. That's it. Okay, so the Coca-Cola advertising will display in the whole machine, all of the machines in this group. And yeah, that's the equipment and ads. And so sales and reports, which is very easy to understand. You just here order list is for every order details, and then you can check here, and so it will have the status like paid and unpaid, delivered, etc. Okay, and so for the refund records, if there's any refund or failed, I can check here, because the card reader actually supports refund if the products fail to deliver. And renewal record, and for the machine, if which is about to expire, and then you can directly act like the renewal, or the renewal which machine has been renewal, and when is going to expire next time, so it will have all the details. And here that's the recharge means like you want to top up money, and then so after here, because there is like top up, it require in your backend, you need some money to save here in order to have the software working smoothly. Or you can see here the minimum is $100, and then after you top up the money, and then it will show the record here, like the sales do. Okay, it will show it here. Okay, and here that's the report. You definitely want to filter the reports by device, or by products, or by sales, and by the user, the account, or your sub account. You can check that directly by yourself, and also the date as well. It's actually you can directly filter, but here we just help you to filter it out, and you can directly export the information, which is very convenient. Okay, and so for the advertistics, is for selling the advertising, and then how many times has been displayed here, and then how much you have earned this week, this month, and total how much you have earned. It will also because you remember when you do the setting for advertising, you have the cost mentioned here, right? For example, let me see here. Yeah, if you add the cost here, and then it will directly calculate how many times have been displayed here, and then it will show you the details. Okay, So this is for the customer who has many machines and have advertisers. And okay, so here this is the system for just like we introduced before. It has alarm, right? Here this machine alarm. So for those like efficient inventory, then how to do settings, and then we can do settings here. Okay, so you see, and this is the we will default the check here. If some information will be sent for free, like inventory shortage, we will send it for free. But if you want the extra like equipment offline, every half hour notification, then or 1 day notification, and it need to charge extra. So as you can see here, it will charge $0.1 US per email. But if you don't want it, and then you can just disable it. So we will switch it on for all the free notification, which can help you to better monitor the machine's performance. Okay, and then here what is most important is that you can add the information for the email alert. So you can see this is all the words you can do. You can write on your own, and then how would you want to, what kind of information that you want to receive, or the number, or product name, etc. You can put it here, and then it will show it directly. Okay, and this is the notification. And for the user account, because this account is never one, and for this account you have the authorization to create a sub account, and then create account and password for them. Your sub account can use this account and password to log into their machines, and then so you can also directly jump the machine account. See here, this is the account, right? And then you can directly jump it. Okay, jump to this account. So this is how you manage your sub account. Okay, so in a word, you create a account here, a sub account just like this one, for example, and then if you want to check the machine details, you can directly jump to the account and check the machine details. Okay, for this application, let me see, let me see if I have any. Oh, this is just to edit the account information. Okay, so for next is the application. For this application features, I want mostly to introduce the theme management. As you know, we have many customers requesting to change the background color, or change the icon, and change the animation, etc. So here you can choose the template that you want. For example, you only sell 4 different products, and then you can choose this template. Okay, and if you only sell 1, then you can choose 1, and you can get a name on the theme. For example, if you use it for the event, And then for example, like Halloween theme, so black color is more suitable. And so you can just name it here, and theme color black. Okay, but yeah, remember to confirm. Okay, and then here, background color setting, all the color that you can change by yourself, and pop background, label ground, background. Okay, and even though the animation here, as you can see, for the window background, so here the window background is you can change like transparent. Okay, see here. Okay, and for the sold out, if there's no inventory, and then it will have a sold out icon showing here, but you can also design by yourself. So also the top line here, and then you can change by yourself, and all the things can be changeable. You see here, and the delete. Okay, see here it's blaming, and so this is shopping chart. But if for those customers who don't use the shopping chart, and then you can directly come to the page, payment page, the color changeable, and also the coupon icon changeable, and the animation can change as well. You can see the animation here, and also for the transaction, the test, for every button, every animation, it just allow you to do change. And you can also do tests. Let me see. Here, if you payment test settings, if you want, for example, if you don't want to see if you want to change the default test, then you can, for example, like I don't want to name it as like car pay, credit card. I want to be cashless, or I want to be like coins after, etc. And then you can change by yourself. Okay, which is very convenient. I think this is a very, very good feature for customized to DIY the colors and backgrounds and icons for their own products. Okay, and here that's the brand. This brand is only for our distributor and the resellers who wants so much to help to promote their own brand. Then you can ask us to apply for it. So you can like device button logo and device stop animation, etc. And then you can all the change. These are the locations that can put your logo. Okay, and then so the wallet, and the wallet is to, just like I mentioned before, to top up. And because for some age verification it requires to charge per scan, so your backend, it requires some money. Okay, so need to top up, and then it will has the recharge record as well, which is already showing, I mentioned it here, like recharge record actually. Okay, so for that recharge record, and for this recharge record, you can check on both sides. Yeah, but this is for age verification, and also for the top up, it will show it here. For this recharge here, sorry, return record, just show the top up. Okay, so the information. And yeah, I think that's for the backend. And if you have any more questions, just contact our sales rep or our support team to get to know more details. Yeah, thank you.